welcome to the Cotswolds! Welcome to what I hope is going to be the first of a series of kind of mini road trip videos around the UK that I'm going to film over the course of this year. So I'm off on my first adventure. I'm heading to the Cotswolds, which is about a 2-hour drive from me. Let's go! Ooh, adventure! First stop is the village of BIBURY, which is on the edge of the Cotswolds, and it's home to one of the most photographed locations, which is Arlington Row. This row of really pretty cottages, which I feel like it'd be really annoying to live in because there's just people outside taking selfies all day. My second stop, which is Slad, another little village in the Cotswolds, where the writer Laurie Lee came from, fun fact. And I was going to go for a little walk around, but it's raining and it looks really horrible. No, I'm going to brave it. I'm going to brave a very short 20-minute walk. This is the FRITH Nature Reserve near the village of Slad. It's part of the Laurie Lee Wildlife Way, and it's rainy. It's very pretty. Just got to a fork in the road and there's no sign. So I'm about to get lost, and this is how my horror movie starts. Wish me luck! I was going the right way, phew, although I think the other way might have been a shortcut. Regardless, I'm back on track, and they have all these posts along the walk with poems by Laurie Lee, who was a famous English poet who came from around here. And it's just a really lovely walk, although I'm not going to do the full 5 miles because the rain's getting worse. I'm going to head to my hotel now, which is across the other side of the Cotswolds over near Cheltenham. I think some of the things that I'm least confident with driving are driving on country roads, driving in the rain, and driving at night. So I feel like I'm about to combine all 3 of them, and I really don't want to. Good morning! So the sun has come out in full force. It's a beautiful cold January morning in the Cotswolds. It's blinding me. I'm taking myself on a walk from the village of Upper Slaughter to Lower Slaughter. Great village names, very pleased with that. If there's one word that really sums up the Cotswolds, it's idyllic. This is like quintessential English countryside at its absolute best. It's not like the most dramatic landscapes or like spectacular views, but oh, it's a bit boggy here. Forgot what I was saying. Bear with me while I try not to fall in the mud. Anyway, it's pretty. This is St Edward's Church in STOW-ON-THE-WOLD, and it's thought that these doors were the inspiration for the doors of Durin in Lord of the Rings, so I'm getting my geek on. Wow, there it is! Broadway Tower.
You have arrived.
Have I arrived? I've arrived. Where's the car park? Oh look! Tickets, shop, cafe, parking. Next up is Broadway Tower, and I'm just following the circular trail. But the sign's fallen down. I think I'm going to use my intuition and go head towards that tower looking thing over there. One way. Oh god, there must be bloody another exit. Just call the series
At the end of the
Emily
road,
Gets Lost
turn
in the Car
left,
Park.
then
Okay, last stop of the day. This is BOURTON-ON-THE-WATER, and it is a really pretty village full of little rivers on the water. See? Alright, that's it. That's the end of my Cotswolds road trip. It's time to head home now. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Feel free to leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. God, I feel like an idiot saying that. I'm coming out. I should sing that every time I pull out. But doing the speed limit. It's called the speed limit, not the speed something else. Witty as ever, aren't we? Oh man, that was really bad. We could call this series Emily Can't Drive. That's what we could call it.